Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to track your personal goals with Airtable for 2025. If you're new to Airtable, it's a versatile tool that combines the best of spreadsheets and databases. But let's get right into it. First on our list is to create a new base. Simply select Add a Base and then start from scratch. This is the beginning of our goal tracking system. It's important to start with a clean slate, as this allows us to customize our base according to our personal goals. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, creating tables. Click the plus button and name your table. For this example, let's create tables for goals, milestones, and tasks. Each table represents different aspects of our goals. The reason we do this is to break down our goals into manageable parts, making them less daunting and more achievable. Next up, we're going to add fields to each table. Go to your Goals table, and you'll see a default field named Name. Let's rename this to Goal. Then we add a new field by clicking plus Add Field. Let's name it Description. The same process applies to milestones and tasks. This helps us because fields act like columns in a spreadsheet, allowing us to organize specific details about our goals. Once we've structured our tables, it's time to link them together. In the Milestones table, add a new field and choose the Link to Another Record field type, then select the Goals table. Do the same for the Tasks, linking it to Milestones. This is crucial because it allows us to see the relationships between our goals, milestones, and tasks. Now let's add some data. Input your goals, milestone, tasks into their respective tables. Once that's done, you'll see how everything links together. This is where the magic happens, as you can clearly see your path from the broad goal down to the specific tasks. Finally, let's utilize Airtable's views. Go to your Goals table, click the Grid View dropdown, and choose Calendar View. This gives us a clear visual of our timeline, helping us to stay on track and meet our deadlines. And there you have it. You've just learned how to track personal goals with Airtable. Remember, the key to achieving your goals is to break them down and keep track of your progress. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep aiming for those goals.